Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Evernote. So let's get started. First, you need to create your account from here, from sign up for free from here, or if you have an account you can just log in. So this is mainly how your Evernote looks like. You have your homepage, you have shortcuts, notes, tasks. You also have notebooks, tags, shared with me, and trash. So in this tutorial, we are gonna build our first note and our first task. So let's go to New here and choose Note. Here you will find that your note is open in just the right section. If you want to expand it, you can press on this expansion note. And here it is. So now we will call our title as My Daily Routine. And I will use the to-do list template. I will also choose these things from Do Now. I will name it first task. Do soon. You can just click on it and you will be able to edit it. It's simple as it is. Second task. And I will click on that and name it third task. I can also use some coloring here, so I can just color the first task as red, for example, the second task as orange, the third task as yellow. So here I will name my first task, for example, as maybe, let's call it YouTube tutorials, for example. And second task, I will name it Do Grocery. And third task, I will name it Workout. So this is my to-do list. I can also insert many elements from insert here. So maybe now let's add some things that will help us to do our to-do list. So let's press on insert and choose maybe a divider here. Then I can insert, for example, a document which contains the topics of the YouTube tutorials that I need to record. So I can go to insert here and choose attachment, and I can upload a file from my own PC, and here it is. So I can see here that my Excel document has been uploaded successfully. So now I can insert another divider here. And now I need to upload my grocery list. So I'm going to go down again and I'm going to insert an image from my PC. Let's choose image here. And I will choose my grocery list. And here it is. So now I will just go again to the top. And the third task is the workout. So I need first to correct it. And now I will add another divider. Sorry. Now I will add a divider here. Then I will insert a table. The default table is only 2 by 2, so you can add columns from here, or you can add rows from here. So I will add another 5 rows, and I will call the 7 days of the week. And I will name each day a single name of a workout. So on Saturday, for example, I have a push workout. Sunday, I have a pull workout. And Monday, I have a leg workout. Then I will repeat the cycle. Then the seventh day is free. So here I have uploaded the table that will help me to do my workout. So this is basically how I can gather my to-do list. So I have my tasks, I have 3 documents, I have a document, I have an image, I have a table which can help me fulfill these tasks. And once I'm done with any task, I can just press on this and it's already done. So once you are done, you can also manipulate your text, like changing its alignment from here. For example, let's choose the text first. You can change the alignment from here. You can also make it as a checklist. You can add numbers. You can even add formatting. You can add formulas. So it's like an ordinary Microsoft Word document. So you can do all these edits. So once you are done, you can press on share. And here you will be able to copy this link. Just make it enabled and you can copy it. And you can paste it to any place so that you can share it with any other people. And you can also invite people from here. So once you are done, you can just exit the expand mode by pressing on this. And here you will find it auto-saved. Now let's make a new task. So let's press on new and press on task. And for example, let's say change daily routine every month. You can also choose a deadline. However, it's only accessible to the premium subscribers. So you can also assign any teammates to this task. Now let's create a task and here it's added. So basically you have created your own note and you have created your own task. You can also access your homepage so that you can see a summary of all of your documents here. You can also see your performance downwards here. You can also go to shortcuts. Here you will find all your documents categorized. So I have things to do, which is my task. I have my daily routine, which is my document, and I have the other documents here. You can also access on notes only and tasks only. So they are pretty separate. You can access your notebook. You can access tags, shared with me, and trash. So this is basically it. This is how you can use Evernote. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.